Today we're going to take a historic train ride in Ely, Nevada, and it's a steam locomotive going through the hills and mountains here in kind of eastern Nevada. It's on US 50, which is called the loneliest road in America, and you might have seen some of the videos I did previously and passed through Ely. So stopping here for a train ride. I've never done something like this before, not something I'd usually do, but thought it'd be fun to stop and do a little bit of a historic traveling, different than, you know, just driving along seeing cool places. So we're gonna hop on the Northern Nevada Railway, and I think this is kind of one of the more normal train rides. They have all kinds of different ones. They have like haunted train rides and things in the nighttime, and you know, ones that you can go do stargazing, and so this is the time I'm here. The one that's available is the steam locomotive, and so yeah, let's check it out.
All aboard!
Wait, do you want to go out there?
Good morning. I'm walking aboard the Nevada Northern Railway. You're stepping back and I don't want you to lose your balance. For the safety of our crew,
in 1988 for the Pacific Crane Pocket goes around. This is the replacement. The stickers have springs in them, allowing them to snap back into position after we pass through. before.
That was pretty fun. A lot of educational things to learn there throughout that trip. You could spend your entire day kind of wandering around down here and checking things out. Good to see that there were a lot of kids out on the train today, and hopefully it'll inspire some more historians and keep this train alive. So nice that this is still going.